Here is the 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. It's the exact same process for both the left and right side. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Now once the trunk is open, the way to access the bulb is from behind over here. We need to get these 3 clips off and then peel this carpet back. For that you will need a flathead screwdriver. Let's go ahead, use a screwdriver and pull the middle part of the clip out a little bit. And now at this point you can just grab the clip and pull it out straight, and now it's out, and repeat the process for the other 2 clips. This is the second one. The third clip over there, get it out as well, and now you can peel this carpet back, and that gives you access to the bulb. That's the brake light bulb right over there. Just grab it and twist it left. It may be a little bit hard, so be patient with it. You just twist it left a little bit, it's loose and it comes out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit for a few seconds, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is 7443. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Let's put the new bulb back in the bulb holder. Just push it down to secure it, and let's put the bulb holder back in the light and make sure it's sitting in flush like this, and only then will you be able to twist your right to lock it. And now let's put the carpet back. Make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out when you put it in the hole there, and push it in to secure it. Just repeat the process for the other 2 clips, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.